Hello, today we will guide you through how to get clients to sign their contract electronically using Adobe Sign Esignature. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare a contract, add your client's details, and place a signature field so it's ready for a smooth electronic signing experience. Start by going to Adobe Acrobat Home in your web browser. If you're prompted to sign in, use your regular account and head to the main dashboard. From here, look for the eSign option. This is the hub for creating and managing electronic signature requests, and it's where you'll set up your contract for signing. Next, choose Select a File for Request eSignatures. This opens a file picker so you can upload the contract you want your client to sign. Browse to your sample or final contract file and select it. A quick tip here: use a clear file name and make sure the document is finalized before you proceed, since changes after this point can require resending. After your file appears, click Continue. Acrobat will upload the document and take you into the preparation view. On the right, you'll see the recipient area. Click into the email field to specify who needs to sign. Enter your client's email address carefully. Accurate spelling ensures the signing link arrives without delays. If you're working with test data, avoid entering any real personal information. With your recipient in place, choose the eSignature field tool. This tells Acrobat you want to add a signature box to the document. Now scan the contract to find the correct signing line, typically near the end of the agreement, alongside the date and printed name. If your form has a designated signature area, that's the ideal spot. Click directly on the page where the signature should go to place the field. You can drag the edges to resize it so it neatly fits the line, and move it slightly to line with the text. Zooming in can help with precise placement, especially on dense documents. If the field lands in the wrong spot, simply reposition it until it looks right. Before you finish, take a moment to double-check two things. The recipient email is correct, and the signature field sits exactly where your client should sign. This small review step helps prevent back and forth later and keeps your turnaround time fast. Once everything looks good, your document is fully prepared for the next step in your usual sending process using Adobe's eSignature workflow.